In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a hosting or coupon code to get a discount on your hosting plan step by step. If you're about to purchase web hosting and want to save some money, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process, from choosing your plan all the way to applying the promo code at checkout. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the discount box, because a lot of people skip right past it. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the hosting or website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the pricing page. You can usually find this in the top menu under hosting or pricing. Click on it and you'll see the different hosting plans available, such as single shared hosting, premium shared hosting, or business shared hosting. Take a moment to compare the features, including storage, number of websites, free domain options, email accounts, and performance benefits. When you've decided which plan fits your needs, click the Sign Up button underneath that plan. This will take you to the plan selection and billing page. Here, you'll typically choose the subscription length. Keep in mind that longer plans often come with bigger discounts, so if you're building a long-term project, selecting a 12-month, 24-month, or even 48-month plan can save you more overall. After selecting your billing period, you'll be directed to the checkout page. This is where many people rush through, but this is also where you'll apply your hosting coupon code. On the checkout screen, look carefully for a field that says Apply Coupon, have a promo code, or Enter Coupon Code. It's usually located near the order summary section. Click on that coupon or promo code box to expand it if necessary. Then, type your coupon code exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code, because even a small typo can prevent it from working. Once you've entered the code, click the Apply button right next to the box. After you click Apply, the page will refresh the pricing automatically. You should immediately see the discount reflected in your order summary. The total price will decrease, and sometimes you'll also see a line showing the amount saved. If the code is valid, the discount will be applied instantly. If for some reason the code doesn't work, double-check that it hasn't expired, and that it applies to the specific hosting plan you selected. Some coupon codes are only valid for new customers or specific subscription lengths. You can also try clearing the field and entering the code again carefully. Once the discount is successfully applied and you're happy with the final price, continue with creating your account or logging into an existing one. Fill in your email address, set your password if needed, and then proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment details, review everything one last time, and complete your purchase. And that's it. That's exactly how to use a hosting or coupon code to get a discounted price on your hosting plan. It's a simple process, but making sure you apply the code correctly can save you a significant amount of money, especially on longer-term plans. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials, hosting tips, and money-saving guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.